Hi everyone, I finally completed fabricating this variometer. It has the planetary gear. It's not just for fun because you need a planetary gear to achieve some gear ratio of 3 turns to 1 turn to allow a fine adjustment. Also, the second reason why we need the planetary gear instead of just driving this ring directly is this core ring is heavy. If you have only half a core ring, the weight will be unbalanced and then it will always drop to the bottom. With the planetary gear, it will hold it in place in whatever angle you tune it into. And the application of this ring variometer is number one for connecting as a coil to the crystal radio, and then you can pair up with a fixed capacitor and tune by just turning the ferrite core like this. The second use case is if you have a long antenna, you can wind a lot of turns in the coil here and use this to tune your antenna. So I'll be releasing the model once I tested it. Thanks for watching.